Rustic furniture, pieces with soul and warmth. Rustic furniture is not just objects. It is history made of wood. It stands out for preserving the natural essence of the material, visible grain, knots that give it character, and a finish that does not seek perfection, but authenticity. Usually crafted from solid wood such as pine, oak, or parota, it highlights simplicity and strength, without excessive decorations or complicated shapes. Every piece has its own texture and personality. A table with slightly irregular edges, a shelf that keeps its almost natural form, or a chair that conveys solidity and warmth. They fit perfectly in any space. They bring life to living rooms, dining areas, kitchens, or bedrooms, blending beautifully with earth tones, natural fibers, and simple details. They fill your home with that feeling of comfort, peace, and connection to handmade work, far from mass-produced generic items. Best of all, they are durable, unique, and timeless. They never go out of style and only become more beautiful over time. They are ideal if you want to fill your home with warmth, personality, and that authentic, handcrafted touch that only well-worked wood can offer.